babes, so welcome back to another video. If this is your very first time here, my name is Tiana. Hey girl, hey. So in today's video, I will be reviewing two Lychee fragrances, baby. If you are a fragrance girly like I am, baby, the Dolce Gabbana and the Kayali, yeah, we're about to get all the way into it, okay? What's up, babe? So jumping right into the video, first on the list we have the Kayali Sparkling Lychee. I think the bottle is absolutely stunning. I am a pink girly. Pink is my favorite color, and this is like coming off as like that peachy type pink tone, and I absolutely love it. The bottle is reminding of me of, like, you know, like if you like when you're getting married and you're having like your bachelorette party, and on Amazon they have like these cute little rings that you can give out to your bridesmaids. This is what this top is reminding me of, and it's just so cute and girly. I love it. So I have used this a couple of times, but to me it smells just a tad bit on the teenage childish type side. So I do not wear this often. I pretty much wear this as a nighttime bed scent. So after I get out of the shower, if I want to smell like real cute and girly, then I'll spray this on my pajamas. Other than that, I pretty much do not wear this a lot. I saw a lot of reviews about this, and a lot of people did not like it as well. I mean, it's just overly childish for me, but I love that on the back of the bottle it does have the keynotes on here, and the keynotes reads black currant, sparkling lychee, rose damascus, candied violet, sugared amber, and sandalwood. It's definitely a rose scent, heavy on the candy. It is just extremely sweet. It's almost giving like Bath and Body Works, like sparkling champagne. I think that's what it is, and I do not like Bath and Body Works fragrances. That's exactly what it is. And y'all know that I am a Kayali stan. I love Kayali down, but this fragrance is not it for me. And I think it was also a play on the other Kayali fragrance. I think it was Juicy Eden, Juicy Apple, or something like that. And I did not like that one either. I mean, it was just too sweet, too childish. And I think you can pair both of those together. I think I saw that on the website, that you can pair the sparkling lychee as well as that juicy apple scent that Kayali has. You can pair those together. I don't even see how that's going to work. It's just going to be too sweet, too childish. It's not giving mature at all. So if you are into like super sweet scents, or that Bath and Body Works sparkling champagne type scent, then I definitely recommend this fragrance. If you are more mature and like a more grown woman type scent, stay away from the Kayali Sparkling Lychee. While I was on the market looking for a new springtime scent, that lychee rose scent, I stumbled upon this Dolce & Gabbana scent. It's the Dolce & Gabbana Lee and Patrice. When I went to Sephora, I was like, maybe I won't like it because it's not expensive at all. I think this was like $89 maybe, and this is a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle, and for $89, baby, when I tell you, she eats. This fragrance is so beautiful. It is so stunning. This would be like your springtime brunch Sunday scent. Like, this smells so feminine, so flirty. It smells like money. I mean, it's sweet, but it's not like that candied, overly teenage childish sweet. It is just such a beautiful, fresh, flowy, just grown sexy woman scent. So let's get into the notes of this. Also, I want to give a disclaimer that I am not a fragrance connoisseur. I do not know technical terms of fragrances, anything like that. I'm just giving my opinion on the fragrance and what the fragrances smell like to me, okay? So on Fragrance Hika, it says that the Lee and Patrice, this is the limited edition one. The main accords are floral, ozonic, fruity, aquatic, rose, fresh, sweet, musky, powdery, and woody. Definitely ozonic and fruity, sweet, fresh. It is all of those things. I mean, this smells amazing. You don't even have to layer this with anything. You can wear this by itself, and baby, it will last. This is so beautiful. I get compliments out the woodworks. Okay, people compliment me every time I wear this fragrance. So if you are on the market for a new springtime a fresh fragrance, I highly recommend the Dolce Gabbana Lee and Patrice. And this wears maybe about 6 hours, and then you do have to reapply. It is not long lasting at all. The Kayali one is not long lasting at all. It's definitely like a bedtime skin scent type situation. And the Kayali, that retails for $100. So yeah, those are my battle of the lychees, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, babes. Mwah. Bye.